All right, so today we just have a quick project. We're gonna put an hour meter on my Yamaha outboard motor. This should be pretty straightforward and really require no tools except the piece itself and some zip ties. The part number here is, I don't know, just engine hours, tag 00, or maybe that Y200-717Z. I got this for about 40 bucks, and it's really straightforward. You just put the wire in the meter like that, and then we're going to wrap the pickup wire around one of the spark plug wires here 4 or 5 times as the instructions say, and then we'll see how it works. So according to the little instructions, it just says wrap it around. Okay, just wrap it around. Do that. Oh, and I drop it. Good. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 5. Get those bundled up tight next to each other. Okay. So we got the wraps there. Get the little zip tie the kit came with, so they don't unravel. Keep that tight. I think that's all there is to it. Just get a few wraps around the spark plug wire there. Just shouldn't matter which wire, and that should be it. I got this tightly wrapped around. I'm just gonna trim that, and we'll mount the hour meters here.